Okay, so we got a big baby tailor coming in for some repairs. Apparently the sides and the top has separated. This could be due to a fall that the guitar suffered from. Then after that, what I did was I custom printed some clamps. These clamps are specific to actually bring the gaps a bit closer. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. I see you at the end. Bye. Okay, good morning guys. So we have a baby tailor, BBT with a small letter E. This is a big baby tailor. The problem is this. There's a crack. There's a crack from here all the way right there. Okay. Then it goes across the board as well. So, but the problem here is that if I were to glue in, I can glue in until here. See that the seam just lines up. But the problem is this guy here. So one part is actually lower than the top side here. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to clamp this part downwards like this. And I will use another type of clamp to actually run a wire through here, so I can actually bring these sides here to actually go level with the top side of the guitar itself. So it will be done in stages. I'll see if I can squeeze in to do both sides and see how it ends out. The tool that I'm gonna do is this. This is a custom made top and back clamp. Alright, so typically they will use this to actually clamp the top and the bottom side, then they squeeze together into the sides of the acoustic guitar. So I have a lot of it here. I just 3D printed some, and the other one that I'm going to use is this guy. So this guy here, I will run a piece of guitar strings which slips through the underside of this guitar hole here. So the ball end will be down here and it will be at the top here like this. So when I winch down on the tuners, right, it will pull out these sides outwards, maintaining force and actually leveling out both parts of the guitar. So at least that's the plan. So I will clamp down from here, 1 2 3 4, see how many I would need, but from here on maybe I'll put 3. I will use this to actually level out the sides and the top together. So that's the plan. Let's hope it works. Okay, see you soon. Bye. covers up quite nicely. So you can see actually I scraped a bit to even things out, but the glue is holding on nicely. So this is the test. Okay, all good. Bye. Okay, so we got a big baby Taylor coming up next. Don't forget to subscribe and follow if you want to know what I'm up to next. So anyways, if you do any pro setup, you can, after you do the pro setup, I will give you one of these. This is 3D printed. There is a cable holder like that. So I put it side by side because sometimes I want to drill stuff, then I want to put my cables so it doesn't go all over the place. You can use for cable holder, or you can use specifically for guitar jacks, so it doesn't lay all over the floor. So if you want to do a pro setup, you will get one of these for free. Okay, bye. Okay, if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe. If you need my help with any of the guitar work, 84189951. See you soon. Bye.